All right, so now we're going to produce a linear pattern on this triangle right here. So you tap the three sides of the triangle, go to the sketch tools, and select linear pattern. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to line up these boxes in the correct places. So I actually want to move that box out to that vertex right there. And then this box, I want to move, technically I want it to go along that line, but I can't just set it that way using this box. So I'm going to just put it out here. But I do need to make that 0.2 inches as far as the distance between the triangles. And I need to make sure that I have 7 of these triangles. At that point, we're going to be done. I'm going to tap outside of that, and that should establish the triangles. And then all I need to do to make these line up the way I actually want them to line up is I'm going to take this point. I got to turn off my linear pattern tool. I'm going to take that point right there and that construction line, and I'm going to make those coincident. When I do that, it'll line up all the rest of those triangles.